Hi, mySci teachers. We wanted to highlight a few resources that might be helpful as your school district might be transitioning to online instruction. If you head into your unit, on the main page, you have this button called Unit at a Glance. The Unit at a Glance is a one-stop shop for all of your resources that you'll find within our unit. So if you look at the text resources column, you will have any type of text students will read. If it's hyperlinked, that means they can access it online. We also have all of our YouTube videos linked in our video resources, so this is a way you can quickly pull any videos from our units. On this document, you'll also find our Quizlet and glossaries. We also have our lesson level questions and our key takeaways that can be turned into questions for students to answer as they look at this information. If you want to customize this page, feel free to go File, make a copy, and you'll have your own copy that you can edit and send out to students and parents as needed.